Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the silent features of pteridophytes. Now, today we will take up the classification of pteridophytes. Pteridophytes have been classified into following four classes. Our first, Lycopsida. Number second, Psilopsida. Number third, Sphenopsida. Number fourth, Pteropsida. The pteridophytes have been classified into four groups. Actually, number first is Psilopsida, number second is Lycopsida, number third is Sphenopsida, and number fourth is Pteropsida. The representative of the first group, that is Psilopsida, is Psilotum. And in the example of the class Psilopsida is Psilotum. Similarly, the representatives of the second class, that is Lycopsida, they are Lycopodium and Selaginella. Lycopodium and Selaginella. This Sphenopsida, it is represented by its example is Equistum. Equistum is the example of the third class, that is Sphenopsida. Now the fourth class, that is Pteropsida, its representatives are, its examples are Dryopteris, Pteris, and Adiantum. These are the four classes of pteridophytes, that is Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida, and Pteropsida. Psilopsida is represented by Psilotum, Lycopsida by Lycopodium and Selaginella, Sphenopsida by Equistum, and Pteropsida by Dryopteris, Pteris, and Adiantum. Now, this Lycopsida, this Lycopodium is also known as club moss. It is also known as club moss. Lycopodium is commonly known as club moss. The Selaginella, it is commonly known as spike moss. This Equistum, it is also known as horsetail or scoring rush. These are the common names of these plants. Equistum is also known as horsetail or scoring rush. This Dryopteris, it is also known as male shield fern. Similarly, this Adiantum, it is also known as walking or maiden hair fern. Let me repeat. Lycopodium is also known as club moss. Selaginella is also known as spike moss. Equistum is also known as horsetail or scoring rush. Dryopteris is also known as male shield, this fern, and Adiantum is also known as walking or maiden hair fern. Now, key points about pteridophytes. Key points. The smallest pteridophyte is Azolla. And Azolla is the smallest pteridophyte. Azolla is the smallest pteridophyte. The largest pteridophyte is Cyathea. The Cyathea is the largest pteridophyte. Another key point, water furnace. Water furnace. Azolla, Marsilia and Salvia are known as water furnace or aquatic furnace. Azolla, Marsilia and Salvia are known as aquatic furnace. Because generally pteridophytes are terrestrial, but some furnace, that is Azolla, Marsilia and Salvinia, these are aquatic and are known as water furnace. Another key point is tree furnace. Some pteridophytes like Cyathea, which is the largest pteridophyte, and Alsophilia, they are known as tree furnace. They are tree-like, tree furnace. Another key point is heterospore pteridophytes. Heterospore pteridophytes. You have seen while studying the silent features of pteridophytes, some pteridophytes are homospores while some are heterospores, possessing two types of spore, a larger spore and a smaller spore. These heterospore pteridophytes are represented by Marsilia, Selaginella, Azolla, Salvinia, etc. And these are the heterospores pteridophytes. These are the heterospores. Another key point is some species of Selaginella. Some species of Selaginella are called botanical curiosities, are known as botanical curiosities, and are sold as recreation plants. And some species of Selaginella are known as botanical curiosities and are sold as recreation plants. This is all about pteridophytes. This is all for today. Thank you.